Guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? Espero que estén bien el día de hoy. So, we are going to be doing this makeup tutorial. This is like a summer friendly makeup, I want to call it. Oh, by the way, when you're done, spray this on your face because I forgot that. But spray this on your face because this is going to like lock it all in. In today's video, this is the look that we're going for. It's very simple. I'm not really doing too much. I'm more like chatting with you guys type thing or whatnot. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Keep on watching this video. Pero, ustedes ya saben, ¿verdad? Y'all already know what to do. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, turn on that campanita. Turn on that bell so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, I feel like this might be a very messy tutorial. Not messy, but I'm a little bit all over the place. I'm not really put together. Like my hair is not done. My nails are clearly not done. And yeah, but I still felt like recording a video today. So I'm just going to take advantage of the fact that I want to record a video and I'm going to do it. So let's get into it. We're going to do a summery glam. And I want to try out this like dark lip liner with super bright pink lip that I've seen going around on social media. I'm not really like a pink lip type of gal, but that doesn't mean I don't want to try it. We're going to keep the eyes super simple. So I think I'm going to do the eyes last actually because I'm not really putting on much eyeshadow or anything like that. It's a daytime, summer appropriate makeup look. That's really what I'm going for. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna mix these two primers. I'm mixing the Milk Hydrate Grey Primal with the Primal. I can't even talk. I'm mixing the Milk Hydrate Grey Primer and the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual. Why can I not talk? Sensual Skin Primer. That's what I'm mixing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Kevyn Aucoin first. So as you guys can see, this is the progress that we're doing with my burn from when I burnt my forehead a few weeks ago. I feel like I haven't had any more progress because okay, so basically I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I feel like the scar would have been gone if I would have been a little bit more consistent with putting something onto the scar. Because the only thing that I've done consistently is like my regular skincare routine, because I've noticed that sometimes when I don't think about the issues, they disappear. And that goes for everything. So I was like, you know what, let me not even think about the scar and it'll probably disappear if I just do my regular skincare routine, because my skincare routine is catering towards hyperpigmentation and also balancing out the skin tones, like uneven skin tones. So that was like, that's the only reason why I was like, you know what, whatever. And it heals when it heals, because if I focus too much on it, I'm just gonna go crazy. But now I feel like it healed up so quickly. Like it got so quickly to this point where it's at right now, but then it kind of stopped. Like it has been like that for like a week and a half, if not 2 weeks in my eyes. Maybe it has been getting better and I just haven't noticed, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take my Milk primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit. So I decided this morning that I'm actually gonna get better applying something onto the scar. But what I did do initially was that I used aloe vera and I also used cocoa butter. So right now I'm just gonna apply cocoa butter onto it because that's gonna lighten up the scar. Because literally I feel like the scar is there just because I've been lazy. It's like even when I do my makeup, like I don't even bother to cover it up because I don't care. Like I'm really at that point where it's like, I don't care. So then I'm going to take the Pixi On The Glow blush. And I'm just going to apply that right here. And I love this blush, but it's also like, it disappears if you don't apply enough. So I like to apply about this amount and I just tap it in. I don't really swipe, swirl, like I don't really do none of that, you know. And if you see my baby hairs being completely different on one side than it is on the others, because I forgot this side, but I'm gonna do that later. Ever since I got these, I've loved, like I've been loving these two products. Well, this product, which is just two different shades. I don't really know which one I like the most, to be completely honest. I love them both for different occasions. I feel like this one is a little bit more like, you know, out there. but this for like a super glowy bronzy look. This is the Spectrum Bronze, and this is the Cosmic Flame, and it's called Glass Glow Face from Kevyn Aucoin. I think I'm gonna do the Cosmic Flame. I don't know why. I think I love the Cosmic Flame more than I do this one, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution brush that came with the illuminator. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I try not to put too much, just on the high points of my face, and then we're just gonna do right here because I am showing my chest, even though I'm probably gonna change later. But then I just take this brush and I just brush this out, and it gives me that wet look, and that's what I love. And baby, I'm here for it, okay? I am here for it because I love everything that's gonna make me look like a goddess. A goddess, okay? As you guys can see, the brush is pretty angled, so I like to take this end of the brush to just, you know, blend out this right here on my face. So I don't really apply the whole brush onto my face, which you can. I just prefer not to because it's unnecessary. But yeah, so I just tap that in. So then I'm gonna take the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is the Vitamin C one. I'm just gonna spray over my face. My Oma Beauty concealer, and I'm in the shade Brown Sugar T1. Yo, I love this concealer. This is like my new favorite concealer, and I have no plans on switching this out anytime soon. Okay, so while that is setting into my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Balm, and I'm in the shade Deep FB14. So I'm just gonna dip into this, and I'm gonna put it right here. For my summertime makeup, I don't want it to be too matte, but I also don't want to look like a grease ball because I sweat a lot. Like, I sweat on my face a lot. Like, my makeup will literally come off just because. I'm just gonna start blending on my concealer right here. And I use this as my concealer, but also my corrector, like underneath my eyes, because it's super warm. So let me tell you guys how today, a week later, is when I'm finally being myself and getting back into my routine, because my friend came to visit from Miami. And baby, if you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what went down this past weekend. Like, yeah, it was real. It was real. But we had so much fun. So much fun. So because of all that drinking, you guys already know, I don't know if I've told you guys before on my channel, but I feel like I've said it on Instagram before. I'm pretty sure I am allergic to alcohol, or that just because I'm not drinking as much as I used to anymore, my body and my skin just reacts terribly when I do drink. I get the worst breakouts, like on my neck and chest area. It's like this area right here is like small, itty bitty small, like cysts. I don't know what it is, but it's just not cute. It's not cute, and it happens every time I drink a lot. Not if I take like a few drinks, because that's not really gonna do much, but if I really go heavy on the drinking, like, you know, get drunk and whatnot, after the second day, it's a wrap, baby. It's a wrap. You're gonna start seeing it, and it's so bad. But I'm very surprised on how soon, like how quickly my skin kind of like gets back to normal with my current skincare routine. So I'm going to share that with you guys, because on top of all of this, after this whole party weekend, I then obviously, you know, that time of the month, I got my period, whatever. So I was expecting to break out like a lot, because, you know, hormones and whatnot, but I barely had any breakouts. Like, I really didn't have any breakouts. Not hormonal breakouts anyways. I had the ones from drinking, but I didn't have any breakouts like from my period, not even before or after my period. So I'm just like, is it my skincare? Is it my skincare? Because I'm pretty sure it's my skincare. Like, I need to put you guys on to these products, okay? I've been using them for 3 weeks. and I am completely obsessed. It is Latina owned. It is women owned. I'm very much so here for it. Very much so here for it. So I need to put you guys on. So stay tuned for that video. I will try and make one as soon as possible, probably this week sometime. I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Natural. As you guys know, this is my super bright highlighting concealer. This is not my shade. If you do not know how to blend concealer properly and you're my skin tone, do not use this. Do not use this because you're going to look crazy. You need to know how to blend, first of all. So I would just recommend to go, you know, a darker shade. I'm using the same brush as of right now. Okay, so I've been talking for God knows how long, and I have no idea where my camera cut off. But just to recap, I put the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Natural right here, my forehead, a little bit of my chin, and I'm now blending it out with two different brushes. I'm using this brush to blend out the main product basically, and I'm using a fluffier brush to blend out the edges. And I was just talking about that I prefer to go out without any makeup and have a good time than go out with makeup and sweat the whole time and be uncomfortable because I'm sweating my makeup and now my makeup looks crazy. I am that type of girl during the summertime. Like, as long as I have my nails done and my hair done, baby, I will go without makeup anywhere. Literally. Even this past weekend with my friends, baby, 2 out of the 4 nights, I believe 3 out of the 4 nights, we walked around without makeup because it was too hot. It was too hot. I couldn't do it. The only thing that I do though, I'm always gonna do my brows. My brows are always gonna be done, okay baby? Or so I say. Now that my eyes are all blended out, I'm going to prepare my powder, and I'm taking my powder concoction. This is probably like my fave for the summertime. Then I'm gonna go in with the other fluffier brush, which is from Lottie London, and I'm just going to set my fake contour that I haven't done yet. I'm gonna take my OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Squad Blush Bronzer Duo Compact. I'm gonna take the bronzer that's in here with my bronzer brush. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. Then obviously my Becca Cosmetics Finishing Veil. Put that all over my face. Literally all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again with the Urban Decay setting spray. And yes, I take a shower in this because, as I said, it's summertime. You do want your makeup to last. So I'm taking my new favorite brush, my new favorite blending brush, because it's really my new favorite brush. This is the Sigma E61 All-Purpose Blending, and I'm gonna go into the OFRA Cosmetics Signature Palette, Signature Luxe Palette. So I'm gonna take the lightest shade in the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna go all over my eye pretty much. I'm gonna wing it out a little bit, but just like a tad bit, like not too much. So then I'm gonna go in with the E49 from Sigma. I'm gonna take the darkest chocolate shade in the palette, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that right where my crease is, like the outer V. And I'm literally just going to like wing it out a little bit. You don't want to drag the color all the way in. You don't want to do none of that. You want to keep it right here and then wing it out just slightly, just slightly. And I kid you not, this is literally all I'm doing to my eyes, and then I'm just putting on some mascara and that's it, because I don't want the focus to be my eyes anyways. Then I'm just gonna take my Oma Beauty Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I actually feel like this is what's making my lashes grow so fast. I don't know why, but ever since I started using it, my lashes have been growing like crazy. Like, people I be outside and people be asking me what lashes are those, or if I have extensions, and it's like, damn, y'all really think that? Because those are my natural lashes. No, because really though, I've never ever done that shit to my lashes at all. That is crazy. I'm in love with this. I'm actually quite obsessed. In true IANDRA fashion, I am definitely making a mess with this mascara, like on my lids. Okay, so just to brighten up my under eyes a little bit, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit of this product right here, like right under my eyes. Gel, I'm gonna take my Guide Beauty brow gel, and this is in a dark. Just gonna put a little bit. So then I'm going in with the Rodeo Drive highlighter from OFRA Cosmetics, and I'm taking a small brush, and I'm just going to highlight the little part of my nose right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna take Chestnut from MAC. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, line my lips with that. And I'm gonna go in with the MAC Current lip liner, which is a dark, it's like a super dark purpley wine color. And I'm just gonna go, I'm not gonna go on top of the brown, but I'm gonna go on top of the brown but a little bit on the lip without removing the actual brown lip liner. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, just watch. So for my pink lip gloss, I'm going in with the Hustle Galore lip gloss in the color It's Girl. Do I want it to be more pink? Ooh! This is so out of my comfort zone. Not out of my comfort zone, but I don't really do pink lips. Like I don't really do this type of combination. Like it's very, very pink to me. You guys know I'm not really a fan of, I mean, that's a lie. I'm not a fan of pink, but at the same time I am. Okay, so I went ahead and refreshed my braids. If you guys want to see how I did that, then head over to my Instagram because I will be posting it on my reels. So yeah, I put these hoops on, put on my little necklace or whatever, something real simple. Like I'm really not trying to do way too much because my braids are already, you know, center of attention, if we might say. But to finish off the look, I will be pairing myself up with the Dossier Citrus Neroli. I don't know. So the Citrus Neroli from Dossier is inspired by the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino perfume. I think the Tom Ford one smells amazing. I don't have it, but I smelled it before and I really liked it. That's why I kind of wanted to pick this up to see if I'm feeling it, if I'm feeling the vibes or not. But it smells really good. It's a heavy perfume though, but it's a nice summery perfume. Like I feel like it could go, it's like a I want it to like a daytime to nighttime perfume, but it's very heavy. If you don't like heavy perfumes, don't get this. It's not a rosy perfume. It's like a musky, but not really, but like citrusy, musky. I don't really know how to explain it, but this is what we're gonna put on today, okay? So we just spray, spray a little bit. I'm taking a shower in this shit. And then I put a little bit here, and that is pretty much it, you guys. I will have the link to this perfume in the description box down below, also with discount code. I will have the discount code probably on the screen somewhere. So that is it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.